everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Style and Study channel. My name is Jay and this video is about me packing orders for my small stationery shop that I started a year ago. So yay, we are officially 1 year old, which is pretty crazy. I had a recent shop update in October and I have a lot of new stickers and journal accessories, which you will see. These sticker sheets on my desk are the new stuff. I made a couple of fall themed sticker sheets and also made the butterfly deco stickers. I don't know why, but I've just been obsessed with butterflies. Something about putting a small and a big butterfly together on a spread just makes me feel happy inside. Right now, I'm just cutting some stickers that I will include as freebies in the orders. I think it's a nice idea and a sweet surprise for my customers when they open their happy sticker mail. Resin heart shaker keyrings are new accessories to my shop. I've been obsessed lately with creating resin shakers. Resin can be such a pain to work with because you guys don't even know how much I practiced and failed. There were so many things that could go wrong when you work with resin. On top of that, it can get really expensive buying all the materials. After practicing over and over, I think I finally got the hang of it. So now I work comfortably with resin and I have figured out what works and what doesn't. I love creating things with my hands and I'm so happy with all the resin pieces I have put out into my shop. It's such a rewarding experience to see you guys tag me on Instagram when you receive your order. That always serves as a reminder for me to keep pushing myself forward to design and create more and more. So this order that I am packing is one of my biggest sticker order for this shop update, and I am just mind blown by the support this person has shown for my shop. I mean, I'm just so thankful to you guys for loving my designs. And thinking back a year ago, before I started my shop, I would have never imagined that anybody would be willing to buy something I have created. So now that a year has passed, I am just truly blessed that my small shop is growing slowly but surely. I have learned so much during this 1 year of running my online shop. Like, just know that when you buy from a small shop, that one person that owns it is customer service, marketing. That same person is social media manager, order fulfillment, product designer, etc. So I, being that one person, am having to learn everything on my own, which has been a tough but rewarding experience. I've never been a social media person, but starting Style and Study, I really had to start learning how to use Instagram and learn to create videos for YouTube. I still have a lot to improve on, but that's a good thing because it just means I have room to become better. It is now 11:20 p.m. and I've decided to decorate my business card for someone that just placed an order. I'm using some of the alphabet stickers in my shop to write out the name. I like decorating my business cards with stickers because I feel like it adds a more personal touch. I've actually had a person tag me on Instagram showing that she collected all of my decorated thank you notes and business card that I put into each order, and I thought that was the sweetest thing ever. It was too cute not to share with my followers, so of course I had to share it. Alright, you guys, that's it for my second vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me pack orders and talk about the shop. Make sure you check out my other social media channels as well as my Amazon link in the description if you are interested in the items I use to run my shop and decorative things on my desk, such as my clock and my keychain organizer. My Amazon affiliated link below will have direct links to those exact items you've seen in this video. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!